So hi guys, I was wondering what was the best headphone model for a really affordable price. So I found these headphones, the Soundcore Life Q35. I found that these were the most affordable headphones that money can buy. So the speciality is that they are high res audio, which wasn't in the Life Q30, and they also have LDAC, which wasn't in the Life Q30 as well. So that is why these are so special for the Life Q35. They are pretty similar in outside compared to Life Q30, but inside they're different. So they have high-res audio wireless certification, smart wearing detection. So if you are wearing them, it would play the music. If you remove them, the music will stop. It has a 40-hour playtime with noise cancelling and 60 hours of playtime without noise cancelling. It has pretty fast pairing. It has NFC, and it also has a feature that if you charge it for 5 minutes, it will give you 4 hours of playtime. So the battery is really good. You can use it for transport, indoor, outdoor, so basically anything else. So today we are going to do the opening, so let's go. So these are pretty good headphones. Let me just take it out of the box. Pretty satisfying. So as you can see, it is packed in a box. Now let's open it. So the headphones come with a case, and it also comes with your normal manual. So let's keep this aside. So these are the headphones and this is the manual. So if we open it, we can see the headphones and what we get with it. So obviously we get the headphones, we get a headphone jack if you want to use it as that. We also get a piece where you can put it in the airplane, so you can use it on an airplane. And it also has a charging cable, type A to type C. And it also contains the headphones. So it also have the NFC pairing, and this on the right side, when you're wearing them and when you tap on there for a second, it turns it into transparent mode. So if you're on noise cancelling and you want to immediately listen what the person is saying, you can just switch to transparent mode. It has pretty good keys, so volume, and then playing, switching on, a headphone jack, and then the NFC. So that's pretty much what you get for about 130 bucks. So yeah, this was the unboxing video for Soundcore Life Q35. I hope everyone enjoyed, and thank you. and I'll update you on the audio and the play quality in the next video. So keep watching. Thank you.